In this section, we're going to explore the Xaml controls and layouts. Okay, we have a main page, and inside this, if we add a label control and run the application, then it looks good. Now let's add another control. Let's add an entry control. Basically, entry is like a text field or text box in which the user can add something. Okay, we have added an entry control, and as soon as we'll add an entry control, we'll see this error, property content is set more than once. What that means is we can only set one child in the content page. Anything we'll add will be the child of our layout. Okay, let's talk about the first kind of layout, which is stack layout. Before going to explain you, first I'll add the stack layout here. And right after that, inside the stack layout, I'll add a box view control. Then set the background color and some height and width of this box view. Here you'll see the box view inside the mobile device. Now let's add another box view with some different color. Okay, here we go. We have two box view controls, and the orientation or direction is vertical for these box view controls. Now let's say we want to change it to horizontal. So we'll set orientation property equals horizontal, and here we go. Now the box views are in the horizontal direction. If we set orientation equals vertical, then the box views are in the vertical direction. If you don't want to use the orientation property, then instead of stack layout, you can use the vertical stack layout or horizontal stack layout. So we'll add these two box view controls in the vertical stack layout, and here you'll see the result. This time we don't need to set the orientation or direction of the stack layout. The vertical stack layout means the controls will be in the vertical direction. And if we'll add these box views in the horizontal stack layout, then the controls will be in the horizontal direction. Okay, now which approach you like, it's totally up to you. I'll go with the stack layout, and when need arises, I'll set the orientation property. Now if we want to give some space between these controls, which are inside the stack layout, then we'll set the spacing property and set some spacing. Now you'll see some space between the box view controls. Okay, let's explore the stack layout further in the next lesson.